Hey, Racer, can you beat me and name all the vehicle colors correctly? Oh yeah? Let's go. Here's my best frenemy forever, Racer Phoenix. I beat him just last week at this game. What color is his motorbike? That's right, it's blue. I would have chosen green. Next is the lovely Miko. What color is her car? Do you remember? That's easy, it's pink. Well done, sport. Hey, Ronnie. Peace to you too, girl. What color is her car? Yes, it's red. You're good at this game, aren't you? And what about this handsome devil? Oh, that's right. It's me, Zachary. What color is my beautiful racing car? Green. You did well, I suppose. See you next time around the tracks.
Let's vroom into learning with Let's Go Vroom TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.